Hey, how are you doing? Wanted to find out, are you registered for the 52nd annual PRTESOL annual convention in San Juan, Puerto Rico? I mean, we're going to be there unlocking potential and enhancing the teacher and student journey. And my name is F.R.E.S.H, and I'm honored because I'm going to be your keynote speaker. Now, I'm sure you're saying, ¿Cocina? Sí, me llamo es Francisco Cocina. Mi español es, sí, así, pero my English is fresh. So is the content that I'm going to be sharing because we want you to bring a fresh experience, a fresh learning experience to the students that you're working with. And in my keynote titled Live Fresh, Flip Your Mindset to Transform Stale Thinking into Fresh Results, we're going to be showing you how we go through and break through obstacles, how we, quote, cook up a fresh experience, not only for ourselves, but the people that we serve. Because as teachers, teaching people how to understand and comprehend English, we understand it is our dream to teach these people how to be great. But more importantly, we want you to inspire, educate, and empower them to be great also. Now, I got to let you know, Friday, November 14th, we're completely sold out. But we still have limited seating available on the Saturday, the 15th. And we want you to go ahead and register right now because we've got a lot of amazing speakers and people who are there to help you out. And more importantly, got to let you know this, we are all excited to work with you. I mean, estoy emocionado de trabajar con todos ustedes in San Juan. I mean, I'm working on my Spanish, so you can help me out with that. So you work with me, and I will be there to work with you. And we're going to make sure we provide you with a great learning experience. So remember, we're sold out Friday, the 14th, but we have limited seating available on the 15th. We want you to bring fresh energy to the classroom. We want you to cook up the dreams that you're hungry for while you're teaching others how to cook up. Cocina, no comida. Cook up the dreams that they're hungry for, whether it be in their lives, in their education, or just in their transformation. So I look forward to seeing you in San Juan.